Hey friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today's video is a power hour. I'm hoping to get my whole house clean and I'm starting off in the messiest room. This is the girls' room. I hope to get to every room before I run out of time. So grab your tools and clean along with me, or you could just sit back, watch. I'm hoping to give you the best motivation ever. With that said, let's get straight to the video.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
My older daughter goes to a boarding school, so she's away at least for the next 2 months. I'm only making one bed. When I'm done, I will sweep under their bed. There was a lot of rubbish, as you'll see in the video. This right here is my passion, cleaning and organizing, and then making videos and see them pay off, like getting someone out there motivated. So I want to thank each and every one of you for helping me, for always watching, for commenting and encouraging. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, my name is Janat. I stay-at-home mama of 4. I do cleaning motivation, organization, lifestyle, motherhood content, a little bit of everything. So if you're into such content, just hit the subscribe button and stick around. I had organized their clothes and cleaned the shoe rack the previous day. I'm now in the living room. I'm going to put these cushions back into the sofa. Then I will clean the TV stand because it was so dusty. I will use the multi-purpose surface cleaner. I will also mop the floors because sometimes we don't use the dining. We just grab a mat and sit down here to eat. So they had food crumbs and a little bit oily. I'm now in the kids' bathroom, and this is how it looks like from using it in the morning. If you are still here with me, thank you so much. I hope I'm giving you some motivation. Please, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. If you have subscribed already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so I could do more power hours.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
sound right, boy. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big it sound right, boy. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big it sound right, boy. Big sound good. Big sound good. Big sound good.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.
I'm scrubbing the bathroom mat. When I'm done, I will go scrub and clean the toilet. I had earlier soaked it with Harpic and Vim.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Right now I'm drying the floor, and just in between here is when my timer said time is up. Here we go. I hoped for a whole house cleaning. I only managed to clean the girls' bedroom, living room, and the kids' bathroom. I'm okay with that though. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go for it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you again. God bless you. Until next time, inshallah. Have a good evening.